This is Diane from Style Falcon with another 2-minute tutorial. Easy steps to lengthen or shorten any pants pattern using the Style Falcon Secret Jeans trousers. If your pattern is a little too long or short, you may be tempted to just add or remove length at the hem, but there's a better way. Check out this simple and effective method to adjust the length of any pattern. Start by figuring out whether you need to add or remove length above or below the knee or both. In general, you can make a change of up to 2 inches or 5 centimeters in any one place. Start by extending the grain line on the paper pattern to the hem, and then draw a line perpendicular to the hem in the place where you want to add or remove length. If you're adding length, cut the pattern piece across this line. To add length, next make a strip that's as wide as the length you want to add and a little longer than the pattern piece itself, and draw a grain line on it so you can line that piece up with the pattern piece and tape it into place. When you have this lined up, you might notice that the pant legs are now a little askew from where you added the additional length. So you just need to true up those side seams. Draw a line from the area above where you added length to the hem and make the adjustment there. You may need to cut off one side and add a strip of paper on the other side to true up those side seams. If you're shortening the pant leg, just fold the excess amount of the pattern under. Be sure that the grain line is lined up and then cut away the excess. You may have a larger true up area when you shorten than when you lengthen. This method works for any pant pattern and also works for skirts and dresses. Give it a try today with the Secret Jeans trousers or other patterns. Get the Secret Jeans trousers and other sewing patterns for mature figures at stylefalcon.net.